Okay, Unity, what's up with you? Yesterday I was showing how to make a simple basic game, and today there is no Unity Hub. Somehow it got uninstalled without me knowing. I still have, let's see, the two installations. So these two installations, I just wanted to install the new Unity, so Unity 6. But I don't have any hub, so I have to install it again. Why did it get uninstalled?
Why?
So why did it get uninstalled? Anyone has any ideas? So let's download the Unity hub, I guess. 126 megabytes, it's not that big, but all of the other stuff is big. Now, if you think that my disk is an issue, I would say it should not be the case. It was quite new. Well, new, I guess that's 1, maybe 2 years old now, but still. I think I actually had Unity Hub uninstall itself multiple times now, but I just never was bothered with it until this point. So let's install it. Just the default location that already existed. So this one, the Unity Hub. And now look at that, files magically back when you install it again. And everything's still up and running. I didn't even have to log in. But now I do want to install the latest editor, and that is because the game that I showed you last time had some issues. And the issues were with me installing the game on 2 mobile devices. Now the installation went fine, but I could only see the initial splash screen, but after that the screen stayed black, which is something that I have not experienced previously. And at the moment I guess I will not use the WebGL, but I do want the Android support, so it will still be 6 GB to download, so this will take a while. Now the game is quite simple, so that should not be the issue. And this is the original code, so it was made in Unity 6, but I did have some issues on 2 devices, as I have mentioned. I just set a bunch of icons and the splash screen. Well, previously the splash screen was disabled. I just used the company logo without the Unity logo. This time I also enabled the Unity logo. And I set resolution to 1920 by 1080 in the canvas. But I just tested that out, and this build also made no difference. So I'm kinda hoping that this is a newer version of the Unity 6 than what I have been using when making the game. And if that fixes the issue, that's okay. Otherwise, I will have to use one of these 2 versions and see if that fixes the issue of the game not working on the mobile devices. Now at the moment the game is working on a Samsung, is it Galaxy A8? And because I have no idea who will use this application and on which devices, so at the very least I want the application to run on my devices. If they do, then that means that all of the other devices should also be able to run the game, because my devices are very old. If H has something to do with why the application is not running. Though I did find something. So I do see there's quite a lot of issues with Unity splash screen and the black screen after it. But I can't find the topic that I found previously, which also someone from the Unity development was talking about and providing insights. Workaround, and they also provided an unofficial script that changes something and bypasses some settings, but it doesn't seem like I'll be able to find it, at least not at the moment. So this may very well be an issue with Unity 6, but it also popped up before then, so it may not be an issue specific just to Unity 6. Well, if anyone does know what the issue could be, I do have 3 versions of this game that I made. So all of them were made with Unity 6. This one does work with my device, I have tested it, but these two do not. And I doubt I have made any significant changes because the game is quite simple, and the only thing that I have changed is added a text outline and made a button rectangular instead of a circle, and that's pretty much it. Now is the outline an issue of the text? If it is, that is quite silly. So I still have to wait for Unity 6 to download, then I will download this project, build it, install it on my phone. Hopefully this works. If it does not, then I will have to build this project with one of these two versions, and if that magically fixes the issue, well, then something is wrong with Unity 6. So we have this splash screen and we see the game, and now we see the game, look at that. So it was something with the Unity 6 version that was bugging. And oh my god, I got it on the second try.